G'day all. I bought this P71 miniature water pump off eBay a few weeks ago from OKMO Microcosm. I've been working on this setup now for a fair few days. I've got hours and hours and hours, literally hours, getting this to where I wanted it to be, this build. I'll just walk you through some of the things that I've done. I made the bottom plinth and routed that out. Then I made this smaller secondary plinth to hold the mount the little P71 water pump on it. Cut this K&S brass, made the bolts, made all these 4 bolts holding that on. Cut this brass base for the 4-inch copper pipe, made the bolts for that as well. I turned this brass riser here that comes up, so that the brass riser comes up, and then I cut threads on here for the tail and the nuts to go on there. So this is the outlet, so the water's coming out there. There's a tail and nut in there, drilled through here and then through the top of the this riser, and then threaded that for these tail and nuts. Inside there's another brass riser that I've soldered on, soft soldered in the bottom of here, and that's coming up to hold these copper pots. Now these copper pots, I wouldn't want to do that again. That took me ages they're all silver brazed up, and then the brass spouts are soft soldered in. But that's absolutely rock solid. That is just absolutely rock solidly silver brazed. Pretty happy the way this has turned out. It looks good. It will tarnish, but at the moment it's looking great. Really happy with it. Bent and these brass 3/16 brass pipes from the top of the pump outlet into this outlet, and this is the inlet that I bent coming into this inlet through here. I'll just give you a look inside again, and I'll show you what I've done in here. So I've curved the inlet so it'll take right down to the very bottom. It'll should be able to virtually suck that dry if I was to take that water out. But it was a really fun build. I have done some testing as I've been building it, and it did work, but I haven't had a test now that's been completed. There was a few leaks, so I hope I've got rid of those leaks, but I'll just give you another look at it. I wanted something special for the water return to going down. I thought of doing a shower rose, but I don't think that was going to work. I was going to form a funnel out of copper and put some gauze across it, or drill some very fine little holes, but I don't think that the water pressure would have been enough to make the shower rose operate like a proper shower rose. I think it still would have all just run out in one lot of water. So I had this picture in my mind, these 3 copper pots, but picturing it in your mind and getting that together all the way I wanted it, and brazing that together, well, that was something else. But I'm going to set this up on a steam engine, and I'll come back and let's see if there's any leaks, and let's see if this works. I'm hoping that once that water goes through, none of these overflow. I hope they all start to just take the water and start to run and reticulate through. But I'll be back in a sec with the steam engine mounted onto it. Okay, with the magic of videography, I'm back. Going to put some water into the 4-inch copper pipe. Geez, I hope this works. The hours I've got in this. I'm just a bit worried that I don't want this to overflow before it starts cascading down. Just going to run it off this Australian-made MSM steam engine, and just going to run it off air for the sake of convenience. So put some air into it. I've primed the pump a few days ago, so it should still be primed. And here we just go. Whoop. Slip straight away. False start. Okay. Put a bit more air into it. Let's go. A bit more air. There's the water started. Okay, the first one's nearly filled up. There it goes. Second one's going. No overflow, which is great. Oh, that was close. Didn't overflow. Third one's filling up. Oh, there it goes. Well, I'm happy about that. It's working. Can't believe it. I had my doubts, but it's working. Jeez, I'm happy with that. What a nice little pump these are. Let's give you a close up of that. It's a double action pump, so whether that engine is going in forward or reverse, it just pumps the same. Just a very nice pump. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Something as complicated as this, you never know if it's going to be as successful as what you imagine. I'll just turn the air. I'll turn the air up a little bit and see how it handles that. Yeah, that's fine. Just turn that air off. Well, you can probably hear it in my voice. I am absolutely stoked that that's working well. Okay, as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.